Another leak on this milk tank. Pressure tested it with nitrogen. So I've had to cut a hole through the side of the outer skin. That's where it was repaired before. One of those spot welds would have been leaking. And now it's leaking lower down. It's hidden by this support frame. That's the main support from the leg. So I've got to cut through this plate, take that away, cut through this box section going back at an angle to get to the leak. Then I'm going to have to rebuild the frame. I've cut through this plate at the top and at the bottom here, and because there's a vertical plate behind here, I've had to make 2 cuts there. That should come out now. That's where it was welded on the back. Welded to this vertical plate. I'll have to get rid of that little piece there. And now I can cut through that box section. That vertical plate's not even straight up. That should be in the middle. I can bend that back into place. Now I'll cut this box section off. I've straightened that gusset up. Cut the end of the box section off. This gusset is welded to this bottom plate. There's a stitch weld here and one on the other side as well. And the leg itself is welded to the underside of this plate. The gusset is nowhere near the box section. The gusset itself doesn't give any vertical support. So I'll trim this rubber back, and I think we'll find the leak just there somewhere. Clean the evaporator up. I'll put some more nitrogen in there. That's where the leak is. So I'll be welding that spot weld up. I'll do a few more as well. It's probably been weakened. I welded up the leaking spot weld, which was that one, and I welded 3 others as well. And now I think I'm going to weld the underside of the previous 3 repair welds. The stainless steel looks as if it's just stressed on the edge of each of the welds, those 3. I welded those, just the underside. Now I'll put it on pressure test. So I'll leave that there now for a while and start rebuilding this frame. Got the plate welded in there. I'm just putting a plate on against the evaporator. And it needs 2 gussets. That's the frame repaired. They're actually putting milk in the tank now. So I've got to put the insulation back in and then weld this panel back in. That's the insulation back in. Fiberglass insulation. I've repaired the panel. I'm going to weld that back in. Panel welded back in. Now I need to grind the welds smooth and polish them. That's the job finished.